Okay, haven't made a video in a while, so here's one. I went to the Tractor Supply today, and I'm gonna start doing chainsaw sharpening. Uh, so do that. A lot of small engine repair people do that. So I picked up this here. Where's the box? Box is inside. It's a Timber Tech, I think it is. From it's a Tractor Supply one. It's got the colors of a Poland on it. I think it's made by Oregon. So it looks pretty nice. It's solid cast. Um, it's not the best by any means. Good ones like the steel sharpeners are like thousands of dollars for a chainsaw sharpener, and they use diamond discs, which cost more than this chainsaw sharpener. Just the discs. Yeah. So of course the motors are like that big, things like that. But this seems pretty good quality for 150 bucks. Um, it's got your on-off switch back here. It's got your handle, which is pretty flimsy. I don't really like that. Put your chain in here, tighten it down. A little, I don't know what that's called. Keeps your, hold your tooth while you grind it. Comes with 3 different wheels. Yeah. And you can mount this to your bench or to the wall. I'm going to mount it to my bench. Um, so yeah. 150 bucks. Charge them, I don't know what I'm going to do, probably like 5, 8 bucks a chain, you know. Pays for itself pretty quickly. I got this also because I had a Harbor Freight one, which was a piece of crap, and I got mad at that, threw it away. And then I bought this magnificent piece of junk right here. This is a Tractor Supply brand grease gun, and it does not work. I pump it and nothing comes out. So my other one worked fine. I don't know what the problem is with this one. Well, it didn't work fine. It worked okay, but I just couldn't stand the low quality of it. So I saw the where I work, small engine shop. They have the black version of this. It's lower quality. He bought it from Tractor Supply. Um, so it's okay. It exploded on him a couple times. Yeah, I got a cold. So I got the next one up. I didn't get the most expensive one. He actually had a $130 grease gun there. So where's that board? iPhone 5 now instead of a 4. So this is it looks a lot higher quality. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. This one right here was $20, I think. Junk in here. Just looking at this one is aluminum, from what I can see. I'm no metal expert. Some grease in there. Wow, that squeezes a lot easier. What the? It's working. Wow, what a horrible luck I have. Well, hey, I got a new grease gun. Got 2 now. Oh, okay. Don't have grease in this. So, what is this here? I'll read instructions. Okay, so it looks like this locks your cartridge in. Now, how do you get it out? Does it thread out? Doesn't seem to be threading. Maybe I'll have to read instructions for this. Oh. Push the other way. Ooh, that's fancy. Looks kind of used. Maybe not. That's cool. This is threaded. You have to push this up and turn for this one. This one, you just push it in there. Oh, that's awesome. And then that's locked. Then you push it forward. How do you do this? I heard it. Okay. Yeah, that's locked. Yeah, that's fancy. Okay, so that didn't feel very good. I guess it's that's strange. There we go. This goes at an angle when it locks. It's different. Oh, I see. So you pull it out and bend it, and that locks it in. Alright. I guess that makes it less likely to come out on you, because that happened. It happened to me once. Not a pleasant experience. Yeah, this is a grease I got. It's the Tractor Supply brand, which is fine. Place this end and gun first. So you put this end in first, the plunger hits this, and then it doesn't move. This, your plunger goes in there and pushes the grease out there. Don't really need to see this part, I don't think. But I don't like editing videos. Okay. So this end didn't gun first. Okay, I got some on my hand. It's my fault. Okay. Okay, so let's see how this works. Ooh. That was easy. You gotta push this forward though. Okay. That was easy. Now let's hope nothing explodes when I do this. Okay, it says it's locked. Okay. And the hoses, it comes with the flexible hose. This one only came with the flexible hose. This has a stiff hose. Some people prefer that because you don't got to mess around with it. See this? It's, use a stiff one, you just where you want it. This one, it flops all around. I'm gonna put this one on. Also, what I think it's Summit Racing. I think it is. They sell a lot of tools. They actually have a wall-mounted grease gun holder, which I found very interesting. Because that's a problem I have. I put my grease gun in my toolbox and it gets everything greasy, unless you wipe off the end real good. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. A little bit of grease going in here. Okay, so let's see what happens when I pump this. Alright, it's really easy to pump so far. I'm seeing grease. Yeah, I never knew why it did that. Anyone know why it does that? I don't know. I don't really care, but so that's what it's doing. It's grease is coming out. I go with that. So yeah. So it's working. So yeah, that's a lot better than this one was. Didn't have a grease cover for a long time. Here's the box here. I like that, the lock and load that this has got. It's a lot easier than threading it. Bleeds air when reconnecting the barrel and head. Reduces airlocks and priming problems. Automatic bleeder, that's cool. Heavy die-cast head, 3-way loading, variable stroke, 4-jaw coupler. So it's got 4 little jaws in there. Show you there. See the 4 jaws? So this was what I get. That was the price of the grease gun. $38. This is New York, upstate New York. That's the one. Register 6:08 p.m. That's the chainsaw sharpener, and that's the grease. $3.